Many people look for herbal weight loss remedies, thinking they are safe. The term natural is often associated with herbal products. However, natural does not automatically guarantee safe. The FDA has banned some herbal products due to health risks. These bans highlight the potential dangers of unregulated herbal remedies. Consumers should be cautious and informed about herbal weight loss products. Certain herbs marketed for weight loss may pose health risks. These herbs can be dangerous or deadly for some individuals. Understanding potential risks is crucial before use. Individuals should research and consult professionals. Informed decisions are key to safe supplement use. Chromium Picolinate is a supplement used to help regulate blood sugar levels. Excessive intake of chromium picolinate may lead to chromosome damage. High doses can also cause dehydration, posing additional health risks. Consult a healthcare provider to determine appropriate and safe dosages. Senna and other laxatives can induce cramps and dehydration. Extended use of these substances may result in colon damage. Laxative dependence or addiction is a potential risk. These side effects make them unsuitable for long-term weight management. Consult healthcare professionals for safer weight loss strategies. Street John's wort is sometimes used in herbal mixes for mood and appetite regulation. However, high doses can lead to adverse effects. Common side effects include gastrointestinal issues. Itching can also occur as a result of taking Street John's wort. Fatigue is another potential side effect at high dosages. Medical guidance is essential before using Street John's wort to mitigate risks. Certain herbal supplements pose significant health risks. Ephedra is linked to severe adverse effects. Mahuang carries similar health dangers. Herbal fen-phen is associated with serious side effects. Fen-phen also presents considerable health risks. Avoid these supplements due to potential heart problems and stroke. Consulting a healthcare provider before using herbal supplements is crucial. This ensures safety and helps avoid potential drug interactions. Individual body chemistry varies significantly. Supplements can lead to serious complications without proper guidance. Linda's story highlights the potential risks of relying exclusively on herbal blends. She used popular herbal products for months. Linda experienced adverse effects despite the product's popularity. She was eventually hospitalized due to heart palpitations. This case illustrates the importance of caution with herbal remedies. Consulting experts is crucial for adopting safer, science-backed nutrition strategies. These strategies prioritize health and well-being over quick fixes. Weight loss achieved through professional guidance is more sustainable. Professional guidance avoids risky shortcuts, ensuring a healthier approach. Expert advice highlights the value of evidence-based practices in nutrition. Thorough product research is essential before use. Do not depend exclusively on advertising claims. Advertising may not present a complete picture. Independent research can reveal hidden risks. It also uncovers potential side effects. This information may be absent in marketing. Adhere to recommended dosages for all medications and supplements. Never exceed the prescribed or suggested amount of a substance. Avoid the temptation to increase dosage for quicker results. Overdosing can lead to serious and potentially irreversible health problems. Always prioritize safety by following dosage instructions carefully. Monitor your body's response to any herbal supplement intake. Never ignore any side effects experienced while taking supplements. Early detection of adverse reactions can prevent serious health issues. Promptly address any concerns with a healthcare professional. Whole herbs like green tea and turmeric can be considered for health benefits. Cayenne and ginger are other whole herbs with potential advantages. Use these herbs in food-level quantities to ensure safety. Alternatively, use medically approved dosages for therapeutic effects. Whole herbs are generally safer than concentrated extracts. Focus on long-term strategies for fat loss instead of quick fixes. Avoid relying on potentially harmful magic pills. Sustainable changes lead to lasting results. Prioritize strategies that do not compromise your health. Sustainable fat loss ensures both effectiveness and safety. Green tea contains antioxidants beneficial for overall health. It includes compounds that may assist in weight management. Green tea can boost metabolism, aiding calorie burning. It promotes fat oxidation, helping the body use fat for energy. These effects are enhanced with a balanced diet. Regular exercise complements green tea's weight management benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its potential health benefits. Curcumin possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may aid overall health. Studies suggest curcumin may help regulate metabolic processes in the body. It may also play a role in reducing fat storage, contributing to weight management. Turmeric should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for best results. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound with potential health benefits. Capsaicin can boost metabolism, increasing the rate at which the body burns calories. It may also help reduce appetite, leading to decreased calorie consumption. Moderate cayenne pepper consumption could support weight loss efforts. Ginger is known for its potential to aid digestion. It may help soothe the digestive system and reduce discomfort. Ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties. These properties contribute to overall wellness. Ginger might support weight management efforts. It can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Caralluma fimbriata is occasionally used to suppress appetite. Its effectiveness as an appetite suppressant can vary. Caution is advised when using Caralluma fimbriata. Medical supervision is recommended during its use. Consult a healthcare professional before using it. For natural weight loss, prioritize science-backed strategies. Evidence-based methods ensure safety and effectiveness. These approaches focus on health and lasting results. Seek guidance from professionals knowledgeable in scientific weight management. Avoid fad diets or unproven methods that lack scientific support. Science-backed strategies promote sustainable and healthy weight loss. Sharing personal experiences helps others learn from both successes and failures. Discussing mistakes can prevent others from repeating them. Sharing real results provides practical guidance and motivation. Community support offers valuable insights and diverse perspectives. Encouragement from peers can boost confidence and perseverance. Be cautious of herbal products promising rapid weight loss. These products can pose risks to your overall health. Prioritize well-being over quick-fix weight loss trends. Make informed choices. Consulting healthcare professionals. Wise choices are the foundation for a better life and overall well-being. Transformation begins with natural and safe advice. Informed decisions lead to healthier outcomes. Sustainable outcomes are achieved through careful consideration. Prioritize natural and safe advice for lasting benefits. Subscribe for trusted, safe weight loss tips. Get information on natural fat-burning methods. Read herbal supplement reviews before you buy. Reliable information empowers informed choices. Make the right decisions for your health. Prioritize your health and safety when considering weight loss strategies. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss regimen. This is especially important if the regimen involves herbal supplements. A provider can assess your specific health needs and risks. They can also help create a safe, effective, and personalized weight loss plan.